Pizza night revolutionized. Domino's delivers in the digital age. We've all been there. It's Friday night. The work week has finally come to an end, and all you want to do is relax. Maybe you're planning to binge watch your favorite series or catch up with friends over a movie. The last thing you want to think about is cooking dinner. You're comfy on the sofa, maybe you're in your PJs. The thought of getting up and preparing a meal seems like a monumental task. You just want something quick, easy, and delicious. Suddenly, a pizza craving hits. But who wants to cook? The idea of making dough, prepping toppings, and waiting for the oven to preheat is just too much. You need a solution, and you need it fast. Domino's gets it. They've been serving up hot, delicious pizza for decades. They understand that when the craving strikes, you want your pizza pronto without any hassle. But here's the thing. Domino's isn't just serving pizza anymore. They've evolved with the times, embracing technology to make your pizza experience even better. They're serving convenience, innovation, and a whole lot of tech-savvy magic. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can have a piping hot pizza delivered right to your door. Buckle up, pizza lovers, because we're about to dive into the delicious world of Domino's digital transformation. This isn't just about pizza. It's about how Domino's has revolutionized the way we think about food delivery. Remember the days of calling in your order, hoping they heard you right? You'd be stuck on hold, repeating your address, and praying that your pizza would arrive hot and on time. Those days are long gone, my friends. Thanks to Domino's innovative approach, ordering pizza has never been easier or more reliable. Domino's has entered the digital age with a bang. They've integrated cutting-edge technology into every step of the process, from ordering to delivery. They've traded busy signals for seamless online ordering, making pizza night easier and tastier than ever. No more waiting on hold or dealing with miscommunications. From tracking your order in real time to customizing every last topping, Domino's has cracked the code on digital delivery. You can watch your pizza's journey from the oven to your doorstep. Domino's has cracked the code on digital delivery. Their app allows you to follow your pizza's journey from the oven to your doorstep, ensuring you know exactly when it will arrive. So how did they do it? How did Domino's transform from a traditional pizza joint into a tech-savvy delivery powerhouse? It's a story of innovation, determination, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Get ready for a story of reinvention, resilience, and a whole lot of pepperoni. We'll explore the strategies and technologies that have propelled Domino's to the forefront of the food delivery industry. We'll uncover how Domino's went from a neighborhood pizza joint to a global tech-powered delivery giant. Stay tuned as we delve into the delicious details of Domino's digital journey. From humble beginnings, a pizza history. Let's rewind to 1960. It was a time of great change and innovation in America. The country was buzzing with new ideas and opportunities. Two brothers, Tom and James Monahan, took a risk. They bought a small pizza place in Ypsilanti, Michigan, called Domino's. With little more than a dream and a lot of determination, they set out to make their mark in the world of pizza. Little did they know, they were about to become pizza pioneers. Their journey was filled with challenges, but their passion for pizza kept them going. They started small, with a simple menu and a focus on delivery. The idea was to make delicious pizza accessible to everyone, right at their doorstep. The brothers believed in bringing pizza directly to their customers. This was a revolutionary concept at the time, as most people were used to dining in or picking up their food. It was a novel concept back then. People were amazed at the convenience of having hot, fresh pizza delivered right to their door. Their recipe for success? Hot, fresh pizza, delivered fast and with a smile. This simple yet effective approach won the hearts of many. The business took off. People loved the convenience and the taste. Word spread quickly, and soon the small pizza place was bustling with orders. Within a few years, Domino's became Domino's Pizza. The rebranding marked the beginning of a new era for the company. The iconic Domino logo was born. It symbolized the company's commitment to delivering quality pizza, one piece at a time. The rest, as they say, is pizza history. Domino's continued to grow, innovating and expanding its menu to meet the changing tastes of its customers. Domino's expanded rapidly across the United States. From coast to coast, new stores were opening, bringing the joy of pizza to more and more people. They became famous for their guarantee, 30 minutes or less, or it's free. This bold promise set them apart from the competition and attracted a loyal customer base. This promise cemented their reputation for speedy delivery. Customers knew they could count on Domino's for a quick and delicious meal. Domino's was on a roll, But the world was changing. Technology was advancing rapidly, and the company had to adapt to stay ahead. New challenges were on the horizon. The competitive pizza market and evolving customer expectations meant that Domino's had to continuously innovate to maintain its edge. Doughy dilemmas, Domino's faces the music. By the late 2000s, the pizza landscape was changing. Competition was fierce. Customers wanted more than just fast delivery. They craved convenience, customization, and, let's be honest, a little entertainment. Domino's hit a rough patch. They knew they needed to adapt or get left behind. Remember those long, confusing phone menus? Yeah, those weren't doing them any favors. Customers were tired of waiting on hold. They wanted to see their options and place their orders with ease. The rise of smartphones and apps meant people were embracing technology like never before. Domino's knew they had to embrace the digital world or risk becoming yesterday's news. The company faced a choice: stick to their old ways or get with the times. Thankfully, they chose the latter. Domino's decided to reinvent themselves for the digital age. It was a bold move, but it would prove to be a stroke of genius. Section 4. Tech to the rescue, the digital makeover. Domino's knew they needed a digital revolution. The traditional ways of ordering pizza were becoming outdated, and they realized that to stay ahead in the competitive market, they had to embrace the digital age. They wanted to make ordering pizza as easy as ordering a ride on your phone. Just like how ride-hailing apps transformed transportation, Domino's aimed to transform the pizza ordering experience. So they got to work, investing heavily in technology and innovation. They assembled a team of top-notch developers and designers to bring their vision to life. Their goal was simple: to put the power of pizza ordering directly into the hands of their customers. They wanted to ensure that anyone, anywhere, could order their favorite pizza with just a few taps on their smartphone. First up, they revamped their website. The old website was functional but lacked the modern touch and user-friendliness that today's customers expect. Gone were the days of clunky online forms. The new design was intuitive, making it easier for customers to navigate and find what they were looking for without any hassle. The new website was sleek, modern, and user-friendly. It was designed with the customer in mind, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience from start to finish. Customers could easily browse the menu, customize their pizzas, and place orders with just a few clicks. The process was streamlined to make it as efficient as possible. But they didn't stop there. They knew that a great website was just the beginning. Domino's knew that mobile was the future. With the increasing reliance on smartphones, they saw an opportunity to further enhance the customer experience. They launched their game-changing mobile app. This app was designed to be more than just a mobile version of their website. This wasn't just a copy of their website, it was a whole new pizza ordering experience. The app was packed with features that made ordering pizza fun and engaging. The app made ordering pizza on the go a breeze. Whether you were at home, at work, or out and about, you could easily place your order. You could order your favorite pizza from anywhere, anytime. The convenience was unparalleled and customers loved it. It was a stroke of genius. Domino's digital makeover not only modernized their ordering process, but also set a new standard in the industry. Section 5. Hot and trackable GPS and the delivery revolution. Remember those 30 minutes or less days? Domino's realized they could do even better with a little help from GPS technology. They integrated GPS tracking into their delivery system, revolutionizing the way we experience pizza delivery. Now, customers could watch their pizza's journey from the store to their doorstep, like a scene out of a high-tech spy movie. This feature wasn't just cool, it provided transparency and peace of mind. No more wondering where your pizza was or when it would arrive. Domino's had taken the guesswork out of delivery, but the GPS magic didn't stop there. Domino's also used this technology to optimize their delivery routes. Drivers could navigate traffic, find the fastest routes, and ensure piping hot pizzas arrived right on time. Talk about a win-win! Section 6. More than just pizza apps and customization cravings. Domino's knew that in the digital age, personalization was key. They took their app to the next level, transforming it into a pizza lover's dream come true. They introduced a feature called Pizza Tracker. This wasn't just a delivery tracker, it was a pizza journey. Customers could now follow their pizza's every move, from the moment the dough was tossed to the second it was out for delivery. They could even see the name of the person making their pizza. Talk about a personal touch. But Domino's didn't stop there. They understood that everyone has their own unique pizza preferences. So, they introduced a customization feature that was truly next level. Customers could build their dream pizza from the crust up, choosing from a wide array of toppings, sauces, and cheeses.